everyone, welcome back to Phumlani Live Share. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 24th to the 26th of January 2022 on Monday. Phumlani asked Melusi for a huge favor. Zodwa states worries Teddy on Tuesday. Zodwa or Teddy dismally attempt to get a job. Phumlani apologizes to ladies and Melusi for asking him to be his best man on Wednesday. Zodwa's life is in danger for not paying back the money. Melusi is impelled to renege on his promise to Phumlani on Thursday. Phumlani make his best man pay for turning him down. Sibonga's reckless move gets him in jail. Teddy comes to Zodwa's rescue. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.